Hello guys, now in this video I'll be showing you how you can reduce your mortgage monthly installment. That is the money that you have been paying to the bank every month. For those of you that the bank gave money to buy a house here in Italy, maybe you have been paying 500 and you want to reduce this to 300 every month, or you have been paying 300, you want to increase it to 500 every month. In this video I'll be explaining how you can reduce your mortgage installment, because I just helped a family recently. They were scared of losing their house because they could not continue paying the money that they were supposed to be paying to the bank every month. They will pay this month, next month they will not pay, because they were having economic challenges. So they called me about 3 months ago, and I needed to tell them what to do. So they went to the bank and do it. And the man called me yesterday. They've been able to solve that problem. So I decided to come and do this video today. There are two ways you can actually do this. Is either you do it through mutual renegotiation, which is a mutual renegotiation, or you do it through mutual surroga. Now, how does this renegotiation, how does it actually work? For instance, when you wanted to buy that house, you and your wife, both of you were working and you were receiving, let's say, 3,000 euros every month. So you went to buy that house and you told the bank you'll be paying 600 every month. But fortunately, now your wife is no longer working, or you are no longer working. It's just one of you that are working. Maybe you are receiving 1,500 as of today, and you can no longer be paying that 600 that you agreed with the bank before. So in that case, what are you now going to do? You can use this mutual renegotiation, which I will explain later. Or maybe when you bought that house, you were receiving 1,500. Now your wife is now working and she has fixed a job, and both of you are now receiving 3,000 euros, and you are paying 300 to the bank every month. So you can also go to the bank and increase your monthly installment from 300 to 600, so that you can be able to clear the debt on that house, so that the house will later become your own. Maybe you want to close that mortgage on time, you can also go and increase the installment. Or maybe when you bought the house, you didn't understand how mortgage work. You went to collect variabile. Variabile is that this month you can pay 300, next month you can pay 400, depending on the economy that determines how much you will pay every month. If the economy is good, you will pay less. If the economy is bad, you will pay higher. And you don't like it that way, you want to change it to fixed, that so that you'll be paying 500 every month. You just have a fixed price you are paying, whether the economy is good or bad. Yes, you can also go to the bank and still use this renegotiation. So what are you now going to do in that instance? You call the bank that gave you that money, book an appointment with them, go there and explain your situation to them. Tell them that you used to be working, you and your wife, you were receiving 3,000 euros, but now your wife is no longer working, and because of that you can no longer continue with the 600 monthly installment. You want to do renegotiation and see how you can reduce it to about 300 or 400, so that it will be easy for you to pay. So in that case, the bank can accept, but maybe you are supposed to pay the mortgage for 15 years. They cannot stretch it from 15 years to about 20 years or to about 25 years, and now reduce your monthly payment, so that you will not be having sleepless nights. Like in the case of these people I told you I just said, that was what they actually did, because they were already having a problem, having sleepless nights. So they had to go and do the negotiation, and the bank actually accepted. Or maybe you bought the house when you were alone, you were the only person working. Now your wife is now working, and you are paying 300, and you want to increase it to about 600, so that you people can be able to quickly pay the house. You can also go to the bank, take an appointment, and do the same process. So maybe your mortgage is supposed to be for 25 years. You can now tell the bank to reduce it to 15 years and increase your monthly payment, so that you can be able to finish paying it. Or you can still take an appointment, tell them you want to change it from variable to fixed, so that you just know the amount that you are paying every month. So that's what you will do. You call the bank, you can be able to do that. Let's say peradventure you now try this whole procedure and the bank still refuse. They still said no. Based on the document that you are showing us, we are still not convinced. We are going to leave it the way it used to be. In that case, what you will now do then is what we call mutual surroga. What is this mutual surroga? I've done the video before, but I'll just give you little explanation about it. Now you now move to a separate bank. It could be any, even if you don't have an account in that bank, it does not matter. You go and meet them, tell them that you want to do mutual surroga, that you have mortgage somewhere. So, but this is why you want to do the mutual surroga. Your installment is too much because your wife is no longer working, or because your husband is no longer working, and you can no longer continue with that payment. So you want to reduce the payment. So you want this bank to help you, or you want to increase the payment, or you want to do anything you want to do. You explain to this new bank. then the bank will do the whole practical. If your practical go through, they can accept that your motor surroga. So in that case, the money that is remaining for you to pay that old bank, this new bank will take that money, they'll give you this money to go and pay. They will transfer it to that old bank that gave you the mortgage before. They will clear everything that you are owing them and then transfer everything to them. So from that day henceforth, you now start paying this new bank based on your agreement with the bank. Maybe you have reduced the monthly installment, or you have increased the monthly installment, or you have changed it from variable to fiso, or you have changed it from fiso to variable. Whichever agreement you have with this new bank, you cannot continue with this new bank. So these are the two ways you can actually reduce or increase or change the type of mortgage that you have here in Italy. So please, I will encourage you to, I will beg you to please encourage me by sharing this video so that we get to as many people that are having such problem or that might need this information. Thank you and God bless you.